Well, Ken Roczen has officially gone off on Instagram. If you look at his post from today, there's a whole spiel after. You'll see the whole thing if you want to read it after the video here. And obviously, the last couple years for Roczen have not been very good, considering injuries, sicknesses, pulling out of Supercross so he can heal for motocross, and then just not doing well. And this is the whole post. If you want to stop and read any part of it, there's a good paragraph there of F this and F that, and you people don't know me, and I'm going to be the best ever again. And it's, for somebody who, hasn't done very well in the last few years, and for most seasons has been pulling out early because obviously he's been dealing with injuries and or so-called sicknesses that, apparently never get better. And then you see this posting like a couple weeks ago of no sponsors, no nothing, just all black gear with his name. Obviously the Red Bull helmet, but that's because, Red Bull. And then this was a few months ago of him, or a few weeks ago, whatever it was, him just like riding on obviously an outdoor track, probably training. But it's just kind of funny that for somebody who hasn't done very well for years, and obviously there's been reasons for that, breaking one arm, breaking the other arm, and then trying to come back for that. So just randomly go off on Instagram in the middle of a week. I think it's a Thursday, right? It's kind of surprising. So in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do this year? Do well, mid-pack, win some races, compete for the championship, or is he just going to, do what he normally has been doing for the last few years and, race for a few rounds, not do very well, and then pull out halfway through the season with some sickness or whatever? But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and do all the fun things you can on this platform, and I shall see you all later. Peace.